notice the brown spot on my face? Can you see it? No? Well, the magic is that anatomian noticed the brown spot on my face. When I came to America, my face is beautiful. But because I love my parents who love fish, Willie's parents love fish. I never fished in the Philippines. I did not know how to catch fish. But here, because we love them, I have to learn how to fish. I did not know I have to protect my skin. So I buy the cheap sunblock and the sunscreen. Never thought that it will destroy my face. So I said, oh, Julia, your face is so ugly now. It got plenty colors. Little brown, big brown. And I said, well, the Atomians say, I can help you. I said, how? With my age 71? I said, okay, come to my house. So she did an evening care for set complimentary. Where can you find a free facial? It will cost me what? $30? How about the Jen Juarez? I'm sorry, I did not mean to do that. Yeah, the expensive one. How much will it cost us? 100, 300 if you want a complete one? Well, this one is free, why not? So, first, she applied the deep cleanser. And she said, your thick makeup will be taken out. It did. So, she applied it generously. Being Filipino, I will use a little one. But she said, no, put a lot. So I did. It's free. So I did. And then she said, massage it gently. So I massaged it gently. And she gave me this soft tissue. And I said, if it's me, I'll just use the toilet paper. Because it's cheap also. So I take it out. My makeup was out. The makeup was taken out. And it says, this will clean your face very well. The next step is the foam cleanser. Give me a pea size. And she said, that will go a long way. Oh, wow, that's very good. It will be a long way, so I don't have to buy another tube. For how many months? She said, possibly 6 months. Okay, 6 months is good. So I go to the bathroom and make a big letter and smell so good. She said, are you ready? Not yet, I like it. So I keep on massaging my face, then come now and rinse. So the third step is the peeling gel. She applied generous again, avoiding my eyes and my mouth. Thank you, Atomian, for taking care of my eyes and my mouth. And then after 3 minutes, she said, Julia, gently massage it, circular. So I did with 2 hands. Sorry, I have the microphone. I cannot do it with this. 2 hands. And then I said, what are these grainy things on my face? She said, you're having an exfoliation. What? Exfoliation. Exfoliation. Okay. Then I said, what are these? Those are your dead skin. I said, oh my God, I never thought that I will have a dead skin. But then after that, she asked me to go and rinse it, and my face looks so glowing, it radiant. And then wait for a few minutes. And the last stage is the peel-off mask. She applied again generously, and she said, make sure you apply from the bottom of your jawline. I said, why? So it will be easier to pull it out. Leave it there for 45 minutes or until it's dry. So I did it. Looks so nice with white face, being Filipina. I like that. Why not? So it dried up. I take it off, and my face was glowing. That's only the first time. What if I do it? She said the peeling gel would be twice a week, And then the peel-off mask will be twice a week. I said, can you write that? Because I might forget it. I said, don't worry, I'll write it here. So I did that, and look, I have an amazing face. I look better now. My self-confidence is back, and I don't have to worry about my discoloration. Isn't that good?